Hey everyone, welcome back. So if you're like me and you scour the internet looking for new information on the latest and greatest, you've probably seen hundreds, as I have, videos on YouTube about the lithium batteries for RVs. It's kind of a big deal right now. Well, I'm pretty excited about them too. There's definitely some attractive features of those batteries for the RVer, the boondocker, or even the van dweller. But the only problem is the price. They want a lot of money, an arm and a leg, and in some cases, if you have more than one battery, you might actually be spending more on your battery bank than you paid for your van. So I've been doing a lot of research and thinking about this, and if you've been watching me for a while on YouTube, you know I like to do projects. So I've come up with a couple of ideas. First of all, let's talk about the benefits of the lithium batteries for an RV scenario. One is their weight, about a third of the weight. Two is those batteries, you can run them clear down to zero. So you could get away with half the battery bank than what you currently have if you're using AGMs, and still have equal comparison of capacity. A lot less weight, potentially either less space or double the capacity. That would be quite a benefit for the limited amount of space that I have in that Ford Transit Connect van. I am not going to spend $1,000 for a 100 amp hour battery. There's a lot of buzz going on, has been for a couple years on the internet, about people making wall of power where they're taking used laptop batteries and recycling them, tearing them apart, and pulling out the good cells, which happen to be lithium ion batteries. In the near future, I'm gonna do a project where I'm gonna build a 12-volt battery. I could go 12 or 24. There's some challenges with charging those with a standard lead acid solar charge controller. But like I said, I've been doing a lot of research on it. So I'm going to come up with a system that I can use in my van and see if I can't build myself a battery bank that's not only going to be more powerful, better performing, and a whole lot less weight. I'm the kind of guy that likes to build things. So I'm going to source myself some used laptop batteries that have been thrown away or ready for the recycle bin. When I get back home, I'm going to go to my local computer repair shops and see if I can't get a hold of some. Anyway, there's tons and tons of videos on YouTube about this subject. People building entire walls of power where they're powering their homes with auxiliary battery banks built out of those lithium ion recycled computer battery packs. I thought it'd be a real interesting, fun project. I've got to be real careful though, because my personality, this could turn it into an obsessive compulsive hobby and it'll grow out of proportion real quickly or real easily. I thought it'd be a fantastic thing to do a project with that for the van though, because if I could do a battery pack a third of the weight and half the size, I could actually put that battery pack into the box in the back of the van where my refrigerator is located. That would free up the space in the van, and there's just a lot of benefits that I could get out of that. Not to mention it would just be a fun project to do. If you're into that kind of thing, stay tuned. But I'm going to do a whole series on lithium battery packs and lithium for RV type usage. How soon am I going to get to making those videos? I don't know. It just depends on how quickly I can source the recyclable battery packs. Instead of just going out and buying brand new ones, that's just too easy. I'm going to see how cheaply I can do it and how good of a performance can I get out of it. Once I get a battery pack or two built, then I'll be doing lots and lots of testing, running my 12-volt compressor fridge in the van. How long will it run? How well is it doing? Can I charge it with solar power? And that sort of thing. So should be real interesting. I hope you guys will stay tuned. We'll catch you guys on the next one.